guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about parasitic adaptation in Platyhelminthes. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So here we will talk about parasitic adaptation in Platyhelminthes. That means Platyhelminthes like flatworms were tinea, that is tapeworm, fasciola, that is liver fluke, or cystosoma, that is blood fluke. So what they do, they are parasites. That means they live inside the body of the animal. So they need to adapt something because they are inside the body of other animals. So they do some adaptation for their survival. So we will see two types of adaptation mainly they undergo. First is morphological adaptation, second is physiological adaptation. That means morphological adaptation means that outside the body they have some adaptations, and then physiological adaptation means adaptation occurs inside the body. Now let's talk about morphological adaptations first. So first is their body shape. Now most of them have very flattened body shape. So they have leaf-like body shape like in planaria you will get, or they have ribbon-like body shape, you will get it in tapeworm. So why they have this flattened body shape? Because it takes very small space in the body of the host animal. So it takes very small space. Next is locomotory organ. So locomotory organ like cilia, these are completely absent in them. They do not have any locomotory organ because they actually don't need to move inside the body because they are getting traveled inside the body by the host itself. So sometimes they are transported inside the body via blood like that. So they don't need any locomotory organ. Next, they have very thick cuticle. Thick cuticle means the cuticle is present outside the body. So if it is the body, they have very thick cuticle outside their body. So thick cuticle actually protects them from digestive juices of host. So if they are in the digestive gland of the host, then they will be exposed in the digestive juices which are secreted by the host. So in order to escape from that digestive juices of host, they need this thick cuticle. Next is they have some organs of attachment like they have suckers, they have hooks. So they have these organs for the adherence purpose. They use suckers, they use hooks just to adhere in the host body. Next is reduction in trophic organs. So trophic organs means these are some organs which are used to get food. So they do not have any mouth, they do not have any alimentary canal. So why they don't have these things? Because they absorb digested food directly from gut of the host. So they don't need these trophic organs. They don't need any alimentary canal, they don't need any mouth. So they just absorb this digested food from gut of the host via diffusion. Next is primitive nervous system is present in them. So they don't have any advanced nervous system, and sense organs are completely absent in their body because they don't need them. They don't need any advanced nervous system or sense organs to sense something. So they don't need them. Next is they have very well developed reproductive organs. Very well developed reproductive organs. They have because they need to spread themselves. Next is in tapeworm, you can see that reproductive organs are repeated in each proglottis. So if this is the tapeworm, these are the segments and each segment is called as proglottis. In each proglottis, you will get reproductive organs like that. So these are the reproductive organs which are found in each proglottis. That means they have huge number of reproductive organs so that they can spread their generation very quickly. Next, eggs have thick shells. So eggs have very thick shells because they need to pass their egg in the environment. They release their eggs in environment. So in environment, they will face some harsh environment. So the eggs may desiccate. In order to prevent them and in order to protect their eggs, they have very thick egg shells. Now we will talk about some physiological adaptation. That means adaptations which are occurred inside the body. So first is maintain osmotic pressure of body fluid. So they maintain osmotic pressure of body fluid because they are inside the host body. So if there is any osmotic imbalance, the water may come out from their body. So if it is their body, the water may come out from the body or water may come in the body. So it will cause some lethal effects. In order to maintain the osmotic pressure of the body fluid, they have adapted some mechanisms. So always they will maintain the osmotic pressure of their body fluid. Next is anaerobic respiration. So when actually these parasites are found in the blood or you can say tissue of the host body, then they will get oxygen. There will be no problem. But when they are in the alimentary canal or in the bile duct, that times they will not get much amount of oxygen. So what they will do? They will respire anaerobically. So they have adapted this anaerobic respiration too. So they stimulate the gut of the host to secrete mucus which protects them. So sometimes they stimulate the gut of the host to secrete some mucus, and mucus are some lubricating substance which cover their body and which protect them. Next is the gut parasites secrete anti-enzymes to neutralize the digestive juices of the host. So some parasites which are found in the gut, what they do? They secrete some anti-enzymes because they need to neutralize the digestive juices of the host, because the digestive juices of the host contains HCl which has very low pH. So that is harmful for them. So in order to neutralize that pH, they will secrete some anti-enzymes which will balance the pH so that they will not face any harm.